my new office chair. I just put it together. It really didn't take any time at all. I will say when you watch my video, you'll notice that I put the bottom piece on incorrectly. I faced it the wrong way, so I just had to flip it. But it's super, super easy. The instructions are really easy to follow. And the pieces actually indicate where the front and back is. I just wasn't paying attention. But this is a really great office chair. It's a really nice light blue color with white detail, so it's nice and modern and sleek looking. It does have the adjuster, so you can go all the way up high or nice and down low based on how tall you are. It spins 360 degrees and it has 5 wheels, so it moves really nice and smooth across the ground. And it also has a nice lean back and some lumbar support back here. So really, really comfortable chair, nice and attractive. The arms also move. So I'm looking forward to using this in my office here, and I hope it works for you as well. So here is the piece that I put on backwards. It actually on the piece says front. I just wasn't paying attention, so make sure you pay attention. The handle should be on the right side, not the left.